Hello everyone, welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with previous day practice question. Question was, the International Day of Charity is celebrated on September 8th, September 7th, September 6th or September 5th. The correct answer is option D, September 5th. The date of 5 September as the International Day of Charity was chosen in order to commemorate the anniversary of the passing away of Mother Teresa of Calcutta. Mother Teresa, the renowned nun, was born in 1910. In 1928, she went to India where she devoted herself to helping the destitute. In 1948, she became an Indian citizen and founded the Order of Missionaries of Charity in Kolkata, that is Calcutta, in 1950, which became noted for its work among the poor and the dying in that city. She received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 for work undertaken in the struggle to overcome poverty and distress, which also constitute a threat to peace. Hence, option D is correct. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, the deep dive training program is related to space, military, marine life or cyber security. The correct answer is option D, cyber security. The Cyber Surakshit Bharat initiative was conceptualized to spread awareness about cybercrime and build capacities of Chief Information Security Officers or CISOs and frontline IT officials in tackling cyber crimes. Operating on the principles of awareness and education, the National E-Governance Division, that is NEGD, under its capacity building scheme, organized the 30th CISO Deep Dive Training Program recently. It was held at the Indian Institute of Public Administration or IIPA, New Delhi. The Deep Dive training specifically aimed at educating and enabling CISOs to understand cyber attacks comprehensively and thoroughly. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is, India's first ever night sky sanctuary to be set up in Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Kerala or Ladakh. The correct answer is option D, Ladakh. In a unique and first of its kind initiative, the Department of Science and Technology, that is DST, has undertaken to set up India's first ever night sky sanctuary in Ladakh, which will be completed within next 3 months. Hence, option D is correct. The proposed Dark Sky Reserve will be located at Hanle in Ladakh as a part of Changthang Wildlife Sanctuary. It will boost astro-tourism in India and will be one of the world's highest located sites for optical, infrared and gamma-ray telescopes. Next question is, the 36th National Games will be held in Gujarat, Goa, Maharashtra or Haryana. The correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Recently, the 36th National Games Gujarat 2022 was officially launched at the EKA Arena, Trans Stadia, Ahmedabad. Hence, option A is correct. The theme of this edition is Celebrating Unity Through Sports. The games are being held after a gap of 7 years and will take place from September 29 to October 12. The games were last held in Kerala in 2015. The game's anthem and mascot were also launched. Aptly titled Savaj, that means lion in Gujarati, the mascot represents India's cultural heritage while also giving a glimpse of a rapidly growing India which is set to become a global leader again. The anthem of the games, encapsulating the philosophy of Judega India, Jeetega India, has been rendered by Bollywood star singer Sukhwinder Singh. Next question is, the GasTech 2022 is being held in New Delhi, Boston, Madrid or Milan. The correct answer is option D, Milan. The Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Housing and Urban Affairs has departed to Milan, Italy to attend the GasTech Milan 2022. Hence, option D is correct. GasTech, the world's largest gathering focused on LNG as an abated bridge fuel, will bring together leading ministers and CEOs to discuss the evolving energy landscape, assess post-pandemic economic recovery and navigate a route to a just energy transition. Next question is, the Inflatable Aerodynamic Decelerator, that is IAD, was designed and developed by DRDO, ISRO, Indian Air Force, or Indian Army? The correct answer is option B, ISRO. Recently, the Inflatable Aerodynamic Decelerator, that is IAD, was designed, developed, and successfully test-flown by ISRO's Vikram Sarabhai Space Center on a Rohini 300 sounding rocket from the Thumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station. Hence, option B is correct. It can aid the cost-effective recovery of spent rocket stages and safely land payloads on other planets. As its name suggests, the IAD serves to decelerate an object plunging down through the atmosphere. Standing 6.3 meters tall, the Rohini RH-300 Mk2 sounding rocket had a liftoff mass of 552 kg. Next question is, who among the following is also known as Kapalotia Tamizahan? V.O. Chidambaram Pillai, Alluri Sitaram Raju, Vanchinathan, or Dhiran Chinnamalai? The correct answer is option A, V.O. Chidambaram Pillai. Recently, the PM of India paid tributes to freedom fighter V.O. Chidambaram Pillai on his birth anniversary. Valiyappan Ulaganathan Chidambaram, also known by his initials VOC, at times referred to as Kapalotia Tamizahan or the Tamil helmsman, was an Indian freedom fighter. He was a prominent lawyer, trade union leader, and leader in the Indian National Congress. Valiyappan, in completion with the British ships, launched the first Indian shipping service between Tuticorin and Colombo with the help of Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company. One of India's major ports, that is Tuticorin Port Trust, is named after him. Hence, option A is correct. Next question is, these are relatively long, narrow regions in the atmosphere that transport most of the water vapor outside of the tropics. When they make landfall, they often release this water vapor in the form of rain or snow. This phenomenon is known as atmospheric reverse, atmospheric optical, atmospheric aurora, or atmospheric tsunami. The correct answer is option A, atmospheric reverse. Recently, wild weather battered New Zealand last month, especially on the South Island, where widespread flooding led to hundreds of homes being temporarily evacuated. A phenomenon from the tropics known as an atmospheric river of moisture was to blame for the downpours. Atmospheric rivers are relatively long, narrow regions in the atmosphere, like rivers in the sky, that transport most of the water vapor outside of the tropics. When the atmospheric rivers make landfall, they often release this water vapor in the form of rain or snow. A well-known example is the Pineapple Express, a strong atmospheric river that is capable of bringing moisture from the tropics near Hawaii over to the US West Coast. Hence, option A is correct. Next question is, a process that removes or modifies personally identifiable attributes from data sets to eliminate or reduce identifiability of a person is called data elimination, data deletion, data modification, or data anonymization. The correct answer is option D, data anonymization. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has released draft guidelines for data anonymization to get public opinion on it by September 21. Data anonymization is a process that removes or modifies personally identifiable attributes from data sets to eliminate or reduce the identifiability of a person. Hence, option D is correct. The ministry stated that these guidelines will enhance privacy protection while processing, publishing, storing, or sharing data with other entities. Another purpose of this guideline document is to supplement the data-related policies or legislations of the country, it added. Next question is, the Mashru and Himru crafts are related to which of the following states? Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, or Maharashtra? The correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. Among the main districts of Maharashtra that are known for exquisite handicrafts is Aurangabad. The most famous crafts of the city comprise Bidriware, Mashru, and Himru crafts. Talking about the Mashru and Himru crafts, both of them are fabrics that are made of cotton and silk. Hence, option D is correct. Himru is also known by the name of Kumkhuab. It is a very luxurious fabric and has a royal past associated with it. Himru used to be amongst the favorite dress materials of the nobles. The threads were so thin and fine that the whole fabric used to give the appearance of gold cloth. It is basically used to make shawls and saris. Mushru fabric is also as appealing as himru. However, its speciality lies in the use of bold patterns and colors. Last question is, recently the term Punnamada was in news. It is folk dance, folk art, literature or lake. The correct answer is option D, lake. Recently, the 68th edition of the Nehru Trophy boat race was held in Kerala. The Nehru Trophy boat race is amongst the premier snake boat races in Kerala. Punnamada Lake is the location for the race where the contestants line up to battle it out. Hence, option D is correct. The story behind this water regatta getting its name goes back to the visit of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in 1952. During this season, the area comes to life with ceremonial water processions and beautiful water floats. From the huge Chandan Vallams or snake boats to small country rafts, the waters are under the control of the expert oarsman who put on a show that one can never forget. It is an art form in itself. Now it's time for the practice question. The Martand Sun Temple is located in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Odisha or Jammu and Kashmir. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.